you need a volunteer who's wearing a yellow shirt. That may be just somebody who's you just pick on, say, you right there, go stand in the middle of the room. You don't have to do anything with toilet paper, don't worry. But you're going to represent the sun, okay? Whoever's wearing a yellow shirt or something yellow, have them stand in the middle of the room. Somebody else who doesn't mind, they're going to take the roll of toilet paper, and what they're going to do is they're going to go to the edge of the classroom and take either like a pencil or a screwdriver or something around, or a dowel rod, and have them stand by the edge of the room. Somebody else is going to come stand next to them, and they're going to hold, that other person is going to hold the end of the toilet paper, while the person who represents the comet, and they've got the toilet paper, they're going to walk around the perimeter of your classroom and leave a ring of toilet paper, a great big circle near the perimeter of your classroom. And so that kid dragging the toilet paper, leaving that trail behind them, that's what comet tails do, right? They represent a comet going around the sun. By the way, it takes, I read, something like 75 million years for some comets to orbit the sun one time. It's just amazing how far out that Oort cloud is. And so they're going to go around one time, but we're talking here, don't confuse us, we're talking about comets in the inner solar system, okay? So you have this trail, and that is really what comets do. They leave a trail of little ice chips and gas behind. And now you have your third volunteer, preferably somebody wearing blue, and they're going to represent the planet Earth, okay? And then you're going to have them go around the sun using a slightly different orbit. But what you want to make sure happens is that person representing the sun, as they walk around that sun, that they intersect where that toilet paper is. And then when they get to that point where they intersect, you can say, okay, we have a point where the Earth is going around the sun. It's now going into this debris, these little ice chips and pockets of gas left behind by that comet, sometimes 50, sometimes 500, sometimes 5,000 years ago. It's just sitting there until something goes through it. And then that stuff, because of the speed of the Earth, enters the atmosphere of the Earth at about, sometimes it speeds up to 25,000 miles per hour. So a little bitty tiny thing, a little piece of water or an asteroid, same thing, entering the Earth's atmosphere, it's going to burn up due to resistance with the atmosphere.